Bonjour, bienvenue à Learn French by Pooja. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video we are going to study about French silent letters. And before starting the video I have requested that please take a pen and a notebook so that you can write what I teach you. Okay, by that you can keep remember the all things. And please be connected till the end of this video because we are going to talk about every silent letter of French language in this one video. So before starting the video, please subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon also so that you can get all the notifications of my videos. So let's start without taking time. Here we have three categories of silent letters in French. First is the final consonant, and second is E mute, and third is H mute. Okay. Firstly, we are going to see the final consonant. Actually, there is a rule in French language that the final consonant will not be pronounced. But there are so many exceptions. What about we will talk in this video. So firstly, see the letters B, C, F, Q, L, Q, R. If these letters come in the last of the word, so these letters will be pronounced. Okay. If these letters come as a final letter, so these letters will be pronounced. Let's see the example. Firstly, see the example of letter B. Maghreb, Maghreb. Snob, Snob. Okay, we are pronouncing the letter B. Snob. Club, Club. Okay, so these are the example of letter B. See the exceptions. Le, plo, le, plo, le, plo. This is the only exception in the B letter. Now let's see the example of letter C. Thruk, Thruk. Sack, sack. Awake, awake. Here we are pronouncing the final letter C also. Okay. But here are also some exceptions. Let's see the exception. Estoma, estoma. Taba, taba. Bon, bon. Blanc, blanc. These are the exceptions of letter C. Here we are not pronouncing the letter C. Now see the examples of letter F. Letter F. Active, active. Of, chef, chef. Here we are pronouncing the letter F. F letter as a final letter here, but we are pronouncing it. Okay. But here are also some exception in letter F. Let's see the exception. Un clay, un clay. Now let's see the example of letter K. Anurag, anurag. Luke, Luke. Le beefsteak, le beefsteak. So here letter K is coming as a final letter, but we are pronouncing it. Okay. And keep remember that if letter K come as a final letter, so it will be pronounced. It has no exceptions. Okay. But it is also true that letter C, B, Q, F, L, Q, X. These letters rarely come as a final letter. Okay. It is a mostly sometime these letters come as a final letter. So now let's see the example of letter L. Ill, ill. Hotel, hotel. Hospital, hospital. So here letter L coming as a letter final letter, but we are pronouncing it. Okay. but here are some exceptions also. Let's see the exceptions. Jontier, Jontier, Utei, Utei. So these are the exceptions of letter L. These are the letter which is usually pronounced if come as a final letter. Okay. Now take a look the other French consonant which is usually be silent if come as a final letter. Okay. So here we have letter D, J, P, T, S, X, Z. If these letters come as a final letter, so it will be silent. Okay. But these letters also have some exceptions. Now look the example for understanding better. Now let's take example of letter D. Foi, foi, shaw, shaw, decor, decor. Here we are not pronouncing the letter D. Okay, but this letter has also some exception. Let's look the exceptions. Should, should, Alfred, Alfred, David, David. Always keep remember that if any name, if the letter they come as a final letter in anyone's name, so it will be pronounced. Okay. So these are the exception. Now let's take the example of next letter, letter J. Leçon, leçon, lo, lo. Here we are not pronouncing the letter J. Okay. Let's see the exceptions. Le grand, le grog. Now let's see the example of letter P. Dra, dra. Boku, boku. Here we are not pronouncing the letter P. Okay. How it will be like if we will pronounce letter P? Boku. It's not right now, so we'll pronounce boku. The P will be silent. Now the letter P also have some exceptions. Let's see the exceptions. Sleep, sleep, cup, cup. Okay. Now come to the next letter, the letter S. Toi, toi, vous, vous, va, va. So here we are not pronouncing the letter S. Also note that if letter S come in the end of plural sentences, then also S will be silent. For example, grand, grand, noir, noir. Here S is coming, but we are not pronouncing it. So if S come in the end of plural sentences, then also S will be silent. Now letter S also have some exception. Let's see the exception. Fish, fish, autobus, autobus, le tennis, le tennis. Here we are pronouncing the letter S also. Okay. Now let's see the example of letter T. A, apricot, apricot, salut, salut, one. Here we are not pronouncing the letter T. Okay, so letter T here is silent. The letter T also have some exception. Now let's see the exceptions. Brut, brut, with, west, west. Here we are pronouncing the letter T. And also keep remember that if a sentence ending with the letter se and te, okay, then also we will pronounce the letter te. For example, strict, strict, direct, direct, concept, concept, Sat. Here the letter se and letter te is coming together in the end of the sentence. So here we will pronounce the letter te. So these are the example of letter te. Now come to the next category. Le lettre U, mu. The letter E, mute. Okay. So here we have two rules. One is the E mute with the vowel and second is E mute with the consonant. So firstly see the E mute with the vowel. Now see the example of next letter X. Do. Do. Free. Free. Apple. Apple. So here we are not pronouncing the letter X. The letter X also have some exception. Now let's see the exception. Seize. Seize. Index. Index. X. X. Here we are pronouncing the letter X. So these are the example of letter X. Now let's see the example of letter Z. Say. Say. Re. Re. Here we are not pronouncing the letter Z. But the letter Z also have some exception. Now let's see the exceptions. Lu. Gaz. Lu. Gaz. So here we are pronouncing the letter Z. So here we have the vowels I, U, A-I, O-U, O-I, E-U. So if the letter E find after these vowels, so E will be silent. Okay. For example, La pharmacy. La pharmacy. Here we find that the letter E is coming after the letter I. So here we are pronouncing only the letter I. We are not pronouncing the letter E. Okay. So if the letter E find after the letter I, so it will be mute. Okay. Now see the next example. Bienvenue. Bienvenue. Here E find after the letter U. So we are pronouncing only the letter U. We are not pronouncing the letter E. Come to the next. Un play. Un play. So here E is coming after the letter A-I. So we are pronouncing only the letter A-I. We are not pronouncing the letter E. Now let's see the next example. La joie. La joie. Here we are pronouncing only the letter O-I. We are not pronouncing the letter E. Come to the next. La boue. La boue. Here we are pronouncing the letter O-U. We are not pronouncing the letter E. Here the letter E is mute. Come to the next. La bolie. La bolie. Here we pronouncing the last letter E-U. But we are not pronouncing the last E. Okay. So E with these vowels E will be silent. Now come to the second rule. E silent with the consonant. So here we have some consonant. Be, se, de, je, pe, n, f, s, te. So with these consonant E will be mute. Okay. Let's see some examples. La zombe. La zombe. Here we find the letter E after the consonant B. So E will be silent here. A verb. A verb. Here also we find the letter E after the letter B. So E will be mute here. Now let's see the next example. Une chance. Une chance. Here we are pronouncing the letter C only, but we are not pronouncing the letter E. Let's see the next example. Fuad. Fuad. Here we are pronouncing the letter D, but we are not pronouncing the letter E. Z. Moz. Z. Moz. Here also we are pronouncing the letter Z only, but we are not pronouncing the letter E. Now let's see the example with the letter N. Telephone. Telephone. Here we are pronouncing only the letter N, but we are not pronouncing the letter E. So E will be mute after the letter N. Now see the next example. Yun zup. Yun zup. Here we are pronouncing only the letter P. We are not pronouncing the letter E. So E will be mute after the letter P. Yun valleys. Yun valleys. Here we are pronouncing only the letter S. We are not pronouncing the letter E. Next example. Yun fath. Yun fath. Here also we are pronouncing only the letter T. We are not pronouncing the letter E. So after these all consonant, E will be silent. So these are our French silent letter. I hope you like the video guys and you understand all the silent letters well. Now we will meet in my next video. Till then, bye bye, take care. Au revoir, Adma. And don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon also. Bye bye.